Good day, everyone. I just want to show a little gizmo that I bought myself a couple days ago. It's actually very nice. It's a Leonardo board, and it's actually homemade by this guy here, Miker, and you can buy that board on tindies.com. And it's actually a very well made card. It has I think you have a real-time clock on it. You have an accelerometer. You have a barometric pressure sensor and a temperature sensor. So it's a very nice little board, and he has lots of good website, and of course he's going to update because I have the version 2 of the board. But just wanted to show, it's been a couple of days since I was playing with it, and at first I wasn't able to adjust the clock, and of course, well, I don't have the same time as this guy, so I had to rewrote the code. I'm not sure if we'll be able to focus very clear on that one. Anyway, you can play with the joystick button, and we'll just basically go through all the menu, and you press, and this one is just a regular drawing little program, and if you press it, it clears. Those come with the board. The only modification that I do was for the clock, I add a function to adjust the time, and the chip itself actually has the possibility for the date, month, and stuff like that, but it doesn't register, so I'm just using the clock. And as you can see, I made a little analog version of the clock itself. Actually, it was very kind of easy, just using the circle function, and then went on the website to see how to make the hands of the clock itself. And then the temperature screen, I just add, it was already in the code, I just reactivate it. The only thing I need is I need to offset for the temperature on the board, because the chip, all the chips that's on there have a tendency to heat, and it's not 27 in here, it's actually, if we look at my sensor, it's actually 24. So I have to I just have to offset the temperature, but that's going to be later. This one is the original, no big deal. And the barometer, sorry if I say it wrong, this actually has a temperature sensor built in inside, so the only thing that I did is just re-enable it, and here we go. That's about it. And the good thing about that little board is you have all the I2C pin that are right there, so you can add more to it. All of these sorry about that. All of the device on the board use the same I2C port, the screen, all the sensor that's on there. So it's actually quite interesting. And I'm still waiting for my GPS receiver, and I'm gonna probably use those 2 pin here, MISO and MOC, whatever, and as them activate them as regular serial hardware serial port for this. And I'm gonna add probably the function of my GPS on that board, delete a couple of useless function like the draw sketch. I'm not gonna use it, and I'm gonna probably squeeze time, temp, and barometric pressure in all one screen. So and I need to do some testing on the battery life, because apparently the board right now is drawing about 300 milliamps from that little lithium polymer battery, and I have no idea how long it will actually last, but probably going to do that today and see how if I need to change the battery or just leave it there. Alright, thanks for watching.